Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're announcing the giveaway winner for my last two Spellbinders videos, where I showed you a mini album that I had decorated with some Spellbinders dies and a kinetic card. And these are actually dies that help you make a kinetic card. So yeah, let's see who won. Okay friends, so as you can tell, my voice is getting stronger and stronger, but I must apologize because I still cannot make speaking video tutorials, simply for the fact that a tutorial takes a very long time for me to edit, to make, to do the speaking parts. And even though I am now allowed to speak, I am not 100% there yet, and after just a few minutes I'm pretty much on voice rest for the rest of the day. But before we move on to the winner, I do want to show you, give you a sneak peek to a couple of new of the Spellbinders products that are coming out soon. Spellbinders is now coming out with self-adhesive crystals. These, the ones that I have in my hands, are like in a lime yellow. They're calling it aura. And this one, this diamond looking one, is called Spectrum. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave you with the style numbers with my affiliate links in the description area of this video. And another thing new that Spellbinders has come out for 2022 in their kits of the month is the embossing folder kits. This one is an embossing folder of the January kit for Spellbinders for 2022. I have yet to make a video, a project with this one, but I just wanted to show you it, and I'm going to go ahead and include it in my Spellbinders kits video. Also, what I wanted to let you all know how I'm holding these giveaways is that I do not say that it's a giveaway anywhere on my video. What I do is, in the comments section, you will find a pinned comment of mine to let you know whether or not I'm holding a giveaway and what I'm giving away in that video. And basically what you got to do is you just have to follow the rules in that comment section. And if you want extra entries, I would appreciate that you post a picture of my videos or my channel or whatever in your social media, like Instagram and Facebook. You take a picture of that, you send me, not a picture of that, but you send me the link to that post, and I will leave you my email address down below so that you can email it to me. I am not going to go searching for these extra entries. And yeah, your regular entry is going to be the comment left in my video. And of course, you have to be a visible subscriber and 18 years or better. I always say 18 years or better because you do get better with age. 18 years or better in to enter my giveaways. And whenever I'm giving away a physical item, it is to the US only. I'm sorry to those subscribers from overseas. It's just that the US now has enormous charges for anything that is sent overseas. I mean, for something small, it's going to take me like $30. but if I'm giving away a digital item, like one of my digital files, then yeah, absolutely worldwide, because it doesn't cost me anything to email you something. So yeah, okay. So these are the people who left comments in both of my videos, my latter two Spellbinders videos for the month of December. And I'm going to go ahead and shut up now so that you can check and see your name. Here, first I did the one video, and these are in order, in the order that these comments were placed. So here you go. I thank you so much for all of your love and your support. Let's see who the winner is. Good luck.